At present, in Bangladesh, there is a PM, Khalida Zia, who won the fourth consecutive time as a PMship of the Bangladesh. And nowadays, India and Bangladesh relation it is a very high, and the relationship between these two nations it is very favorable to each other. And India have to connect this relationship with Bangladesh at any cost, because at this time India has only one route to go to the seven sister states. Seven sister states means that is the northeast: Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Sikkim. These are the seven states that is called seven sister states, and this is the only one route to go there by soil. That is the Siliguri corridor, and Siliguri corridor that is situated between the Nepal and the Bangladesh, and it is only 20 or 22 stretch, only 20 and 22 kilometer area. And after that, that is called in the technical language chicken neck. Chicken, as you know, neck, as you know. Then after that is called chicken neck. And as we know, if India have only one route through the chicken neck, through the Siliguri corridor to go to the seven sister states, it will be very horrible whenever China attack on India in the Arunachal Pradesh. So India at any cost will have to increase their connectivity with the seven sister states through Bangladesh. And at this time, both government, Bangladesh government and Indian government, both are supportive to each other. This is the right time to increase the connectivity through Bangladesh to the seven sister states or northeast states. In November 2023, Indian Prime Minister PM Modi went to the Bangladesh, and with Sheikh Hasina, who is the PM of the Bangladesh, they signed the three treaty and three cooperative things at that time. The first thing is that to make the railway line between Agartala and Akhora. Agartala, it is situated in India, and Akhora is situated in the Bangladesh. So to increase the connectivity of the both nations, they will connect Akhora and Agartala through the rail line. And second one is that India is going to make a critical power plant in Bangladesh, in Rampal. Rampal is a place in Bangladesh where India will establish a power plant, critical power plant. And third one is that there are two seaports in Bangladesh. First one is that Khulna, and second one is the Mongla. India has signed a pact with the Bangladesh to make the railway line from Khulna seaport to the Mongla seaport, and that will be very favorable for the India. And then after, India can reconnect itself to the northeast states or the seven sister states. And at this time, the big challenge for the India at present, that is the opposition leader Khalida Zia. Khalida Zia led to the political party Bangladesh National Party, BNP, but she is very favorable for the China and against India nowadays. So this is the main reason that how to tackle this situation for the India. At this time, India has gone with the Maldives, and at any cost, at any rate, Bangladesh cannot be the second Maldives for the India, and who lose their control over the hand of the China. And nowadays, some things, that is commodities, go to the seven sister state, northeast state through the Khulna seaport. Bangladesh opened this seaport for the India. The West Bengal commodity went to the northeast states or the seven sister states. So it is the very challenging and nowadays for the India and Bangladesh to reconnect the route, a number of the route through the Bangladesh they can make to go to the seven sister state. It is a very important work for the Indian government now.